So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Show Toolbar After Capturing Screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A26, or A36. So if you want the toolbar to appear automatically whenever you take a screenshot, then all you need to do is simply open Settings, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, you want to look for Screenshots and Screen Recordings and tap on it. And then next, you want to find the option Show Toolbar After Capturing with the toggle next to it. So currently the toggle is blue, which means that it's turned on. And it also means whenever I take a screenshot on my phone, like that, a toolbar automatically appears that allows me to take a scrolling screenshot, allows me to share it, edit it, all sorts of things. If you no longer want this toolbar to appear whenever you take the screenshot, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn the feature off. And again, now whenever you take a screenshot on your phone, you'll notice that the toolbar no longer appears, and you can also not see any thumbnail to show that the screenshot has been taken. So all you can see is just the screen flashing as the screenshot has been taken. So if you ever want to access the screenshot so that you can be able to customize it, share it, and all sorts of things, then you have to navigate to Gallery, select Albums, and then tap on Screenshots. And then you can find the screenshots listed right there. If you want to re-enable this feature so that the toolbar reappears, just tap on the toggle, it'll come back, you'll have your screen flash, and then the toolbar appearing at the very bottom. And so that's how you can enable or disable this feature on your phone. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.